Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English practice channel. My name is Wilbert.
And I'm Donna. Hello, friends. Thank you for joining us today.
We are very happy you are here. Maybe you are relaxing. Maybe you are driving. Maybe you are cooking. Or maybe you are studying English right now.
Wherever you are, welcome. Today, we have a very useful topic.
That's right. Today, we will talk about how to ask and answer questions in English.
Oh, that's important. We ask questions every day.
Yes, we do. We ask questions at work. We ask questions at school. We ask questions in stores. We ask questions when we travel. We ask questions when we meet new people.
And sometimes answering questions can be difficult too.
Exactly. So today we will practice both asking questions and answering questions.
And don't worry, we will use simple English, slow English, easy English.
Perfect for beginners. And before we begin, if you enjoy learning English with us, please like this video and subscribe to the channel.
It really helps us make more English lessons for you.
All right, let's get started.
Let's go.
Donna, can I ask you a question?
Of course.
What is your name?
My name is Donna.
Very good. That is a simple question. What is your name?
And the answer is, my name is Donna.
Let's repeat together. Question, what is your name?
Answer, my name is Donna.
One more time, slowly. What is your name?
My name is Donna.
Excellent. Now, listeners, think about your answer. What is your name? Pause for a moment.
Say your name out loud. Practice speaking.
Very good.
Can I ask you a question now?
Sure.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
Nice. That is another common question. Where are you from?
And the answer can be I am from Canada, I am from Brazil, I am from Japan, I am from Mexico, I am from the Philippines.
Where are you from? Listeners, answer the question. Say it out loud.
Remember, speaking is important. Don't only listen, speak too.
Yes, even if you make mistakes.
Mistakes are okay.
I make mistakes sometimes.
Really?
Of course, I'm human.
Good point.
Sometimes I say the wrong word, sometimes I forget a word, but that's okay.
Exactly. Making mistakes is part of learning.
Now, let's learn another useful question.
Okay?
How old are you?
Ah, yes, a very common question.
How old are you?
You can answer, I am 20 years old. I am 30 years old. I am 40 years old.
Simple and easy.
Let's practice. Donna, how old are you?
I am 28 years old.
Great.
W, how old are you?
I am 35 years old.
Very nice.
Listeners, answer the question. How old are you?
Say it clearly. Practice your pronunciation.
Good job. Now let's talk about favorite things. People love talking about their favorite things.
That's true. I can talk about food all day.
I believe that.
Food is important.
Okay, here's the question. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Good answer.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is fried chicken.
Oh, now I'm hungry.
Already?
Yes, we started talking about food. Now I'm thinking about lunch.
Listeners, what is your favorite food?
Think about your answer. Maybe pizza, maybe noodles, maybe rice, maybe tacos, maybe sushi.
Practice saying, my favorite food is.
Let's repeat. My favorite food is.
My favorite food is pizza.
My favorite food is sushi.
Excellent. Now let's learn another question. What do you do?
Some learners find this question confusing.
That's true. What do you do means what is your job?
Exactly. Someone may answer, I am a teacher. I am a student. I am a nurse. I am a driver. I am an engineer.
Donna, what do you do?
I am a teacher. What about you?
I am an English teacher.
Wonderful. Listeners, what do you do?
Take a moment. Think about your answer.
And if you don't have a job yet, that's okay. You can say, I am a student, or I am looking for work.
Very good. Now let's practice a short conversation.
I love conversation practice.
Me too. Ready?
Ready.
Hello, what's your name?
My name is Donna. Where are you from?
I am from Canada. How about you?
I am from Australia. What do you do?
I am a teacher. And you?
I am a student.
Very nice. That was a simple conversation.
And very useful.
Listeners, let's review. Question. What's your name?
Question. My name is...
Question. Where are you from?
Question. I am from...
Question. How old are you?
Question. I am years old.
Question. What do you do?
Question. I am a...
Excellent work.
You are doing great.
And remember, learning English is not a race. Go slowly. Practice every day.
A little practice every day is better than 1 hour once a month.
Very true.
And don't be afraid to ask questions.
Questions help us learn.
In the next part, we will practice more everyday questions about hobbies, family, daily routines, free time, and much more.
So stay with us. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep practicing English every day.
See you in part 2. Bye, everyone.
Goodbye, friends.